Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. I am Misty and today we made some broccoli and beef in the Instapot. It is so quick, so easy, it takes 12 minutes. Hey, be sure and give me a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. And hey, let me know what your favorite Chinese food is, or Japanese food, or whatever, because it may show up on a future video. Let's get started on this video. Alright, so this is what you're going to need to make broccoli and beef in your Instapot. Broccoli and beef is probably one of my favorite Chinese foods. I love it. I've got my Instapot has been heating up a little bit. I'm going to throw some of my garlic olive oil. Y'all know if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Misty and I have a problem with garlic infused olive oil. So, welcome to my channel. For you guys who are coming back, y'all know I have a problem with the garlic infused olive oil. So, what you want to do is, I've got some flank steak that I have just cut into bits and pieces, and we're going to throw it here in this Instapot and let it brown. It don't have to get brown, just kind of enough to flavor your pan more or less. Now I'm not making a huge batch. We're kind of a small family, just the three of us living here anyway. So just got a kind of a normal size flank steak that I've cut up. And we're going to toss this around and let it get a little bit of a brown on it. This cooks up so super quick, so super easy. This is a perfect weeknight meal. You want to feed your family something hearty, but don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. This is the meal for you. Alright, that's all. I'm going to brown this. We're going to take it back out, put it in a bowl. Put a little bit more olive oil down, just a touch. And then we're going to throw our onions in. And we're just going to kind of cook these until they're translucent. I'm going to hit them with just a touch of salt because we are using soy sauce and beef stock. It has salt in it. But I am using the low sodium on both. So, alright. Salt. Pepper. It needs a good toss. You only need to cook these 2 or 3 minutes. And I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons maybe of garlic because we love a lot of garlic. If you don't like as much garlic, you certainly don't have to use as much. And this is just going to get tossed around for about a minute. Just a pinch more salt. There we go. Now, to this, I'm adding brown sugar. The actual measurements will be linked in the recipe. That soy sauce, beef broth. And then I'm going to add some sesame oil. We're going to add our meat back into the mix. Give it a good stir. Then we're going to put our lid on it and we're going to cook it for 12 minutes. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix up the broccoli. So hold on just a second. Alright, we've got this set for 12 minutes. While that's cooking, we're going to make up our broccoli. And my broccoli, we're just going to steam up in the microwave. Give it a quick rinse. Okay, for your broccoli, you just want to cut off the florets. Kind of make sure that they're in individual kind of bites. As big as you want them, whatever makes you happy. Fourth cup of water, and then you're going to cover it and you're going to microwave it for 3 to 4 minutes, steaming it. I'm using just some plastic wrap. Okay, we're wrapping with plastic wrap. And we're going to pop it in the microwave, cook it for 3 to 4 minutes till it's all good and steamed. Our pressure has released, and then we're going to make a little bit of a slurry. A cat was down there and I scared him. Alright. I've got 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. It's about that much water. And we're going to mix this up until it's, alright, we're going to give that a good stir, get all the lumps out. Pour this in. Give it a good stir. And let it thicken. And it will thicken up fast, so look at that. Does that look good? Alright, now I've got our broccoli that we steamed in the microwave. We're going to dump that in. Toss it together. Good. I'm hungry too. It is dinner time in Mama Z's house. The last little finishing touch to this, I'm going to throw on some sesame seeds. That's totally optional. And we're going to serve some of this up. I've got some rice. And we're going to cut up some green onion. Sprinkle just a little green onion on top. And beef in our Instapot. 12 minutes, so easy to do. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Hey, if you like this video, I got some sesame chicken in the Instapot sitting right here waiting on you. I hope you'll check that video out, and we'll see you guys on the next video.